everyone and welcome to my channel Her Majesty Cooks. This week we're going to be making the old classic toad in the hole. So let's cook. So I have my oven proof dish here, which I've put in a tablespoon of vegetable oil, half a dozen sausages. So just put them into the dish there. And you don't want an oversized dish for toad in the hole because you'll just flatten the batter out, and it won't puff up. So once they're in, we just put them in a very hot preheated oven at 220 Celsius, 210 fan or gas 7. So I'm just going to put them in now for about 15 minutes till they're just nice and brown. So while the sausages are in the oven, we're going to do our batter. So in here I have 114 grams of plain flour and a teaspoon of salt. And we've got our 2 eggs, so just make a bit of a well in the middle and break the eggs into the flour there. And then just get your whisk. You can use an electric whisk if you prefer. And then just gradually get the flour into the egg mixture and gradually pour the milk, which I have 250 ml here. So just gradually whisk it in to make the batter. You don't want the batter too thin, so just see how the 250 ml goes. Ideally, if you leave the batter as long as you can. Sometimes I make the batter in the morning and just leave it. So that's the batter ready there. So those are nicely browned now, so we're just going to pour the batter on immediately. You have to try and work as quick as possible and get it straight back in the oven. And then leave it for about 40 minutes. Don't open the oven. This is ready to come out the oven now, so we just get it out onto the top there. There we are. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video of Toad in the Hole. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We upload new videos every week. I'm off for a lovely cup of tea now. See you soon. Bye.